Bristol Bears. Today we are going to use a chant. A chant are words spoken in rhythm. So we're going to take some words and we're going to say them in a musical way. And the chant we are going to say today is about an insect friend, the bee. And it goes like this. Bee, bee, bumble bee, stung a man upon his knee, stung a pig upon his snout. Goodness me if you're not out. Wait, I have a question. Do you know what a snout is? A snout is a pig's nose. So this bee is not very nice. It's stinging people on their knees, and stinging people and pigs on their noses. It's not very nice. Go ahead and keep the beat with me while we do our song again. Here we go. Now, bee, bee, bumble bee, stung a man upon his knee, stung a pig upon his snout. Goodness me if you are out. Now I have this little bee that I can put on my finger. So instead of just keeping the beat here, I have 4 different things that I can be keeping the beat on. So I have my glass. Ooh, that's a cool sound. I have my cup. Ooh, that plasticky sound. I have my cool Star Wars mug. And I have my little metal Jello container. Jello mold. So I have 4 different sounds here. Now if you like, you can just tap the floor in 4 different areas, like this. Or you can press pause, and then you can get 4 cool things. They do not have to be my same things. Just have them be things that are going to have different sounds, and you can play along with me. Here's our bee. He's going to be stinging things. Here we go. Now, bee, bee, bumble bee, stung a man upon his knee, stung a pig upon his snout. Goodness me if you are out. I landed on the Jello mold. So the Jello mold is now out. And I have 3 sounds left. Let's see who's going to win supreme. Here we go. Now, bee, bee, bumble bee, stung a man upon his knee, stung a pig upon his snout. Goodness me, you are out. Bye-bye, glass bowl. The championship is down between the plastic green cup and the Star Wars mug. Let's see who wins. Here we go. Now, bee, bee, bumble bee, stung a man upon his knee, stung a pig upon his snout. Goodness me if you are out. Looks like the ultimate winner of Bee Bumble Bee was the green cup. Did you have something that won? Or did you have a spot that won? I would love for you to tell me.